Have you ever wondered how a collection of rebellious colonies became the world's most influential superpower? The story of America isn't just one of triumph. It's a complex saga of division, innovation, and relentless ambition. Let's rewind the clock and explore this incredible journey. Our story begins not with unity, but with deep division. The 13 colonies, though united against British rule, were a patchwork of different economies, cultures, and beliefs. The North, with its burgeoning industries, and the South, built on an agrarian economy, dependent on enslaved labor, were on a collision course. The American Revolution was a bold declaration of independence, but the real test was just beginning. Could these disparate states truly become one nation? The Constitution was a brilliant, yet imperfect, blueprint. It established a federal government, but left a peculiar institution of slavery unresolved. This fundamental contradiction would haunt the young nation for decades. As the country expanded westward, fueled by the idea of manifest destiny, the question of slavery in new territories intensified the conflict. Tensions finally erupted into the Civil War, a brutal and bloody conflict that tore the nation apart. It was America's darkest hour, a fight for its very soul. The Union's victory and the abolition of slavery marked a pivotal turning point. The period of Reconstruction that followed aimed to rebuild the South and integrate millions of newly freed African Americans into society. Though this era was fraught with challenges and ultimately fell short of its goals, it laid the groundwork for future civil rights struggles and fundamentally redefined what it meant to be an American. As the 19th century drew to a close, America was transforming at a breakneck pace. The Second Industrial Revolution ushered in an age of unprecedented innovation. Titans of industry like Carnegie, Rockefeller, and Ford built vast empires in steel, oil, and automobiles. Railroads stitched the continent together, cities exploded in size, and millions of immigrants arrived, seeking a piece of the American dream. This Gilded Age was a time of incredible wealth and progress, but also of stark inequality and social unrest, as workers began to fight for better conditions. The 20th century thrust America onto the world stage. Though initially hesitant to involve itself in foreign conflicts, the nation's industrial might became the deciding factor in two world wars. Emerging from World War II as one of the two remaining superpowers, America found itself locked in a new kind of struggle. The Cold War, this ideological battle with the Soviet Union, dominated global politics for nearly half a century. It was a period of proxy wars, a nerve-wracking arms race, and a space race that pushed the boundaries of human achievement, culminating in the historic moon landing. While battling communism abroad, America faced profound struggles at home. The Civil Rights Movement challenged centuries of racial segregation and injustice. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. led a powerful, non-violent movement that demanded the nation live up to its founding ideals of liberty and equality for all. This era of social upheaval reshaped American society, leading to landmark legislation that dismantled legal segregation. With the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991, America stood as the world's sole superpower. The digital revolution, born in Silicon Valley, further cemented its global influence, connecting the world in ways previously unimaginable. However, the 21st century brought new challenges. The September 11th attacks, prolonged wars in the Middle East, a global financial crisis, and growing political polarization at home. Today, America stands at another crossroads. It remains a global leader in technology, culture, and finance, but it also grapples with deep internal divisions and questions about its role in a rapidly changing world. The journey from a divided collection of colonies to a global superpower is a testament to the nation's capacity for reinvention and resilience. It's a story that is far from over, constantly being written and rewritten by its people. What do you think the next chapter of American history will look like? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.